Are you drowning in debt and think investing is only for people with a lot of money? Or worse, does your salary hit your account and disappear before the month even ends? If you feel like you're always running behind and never catching up, stay with me, because in this video, you'll discover that it is possible to get out of debt and start investing with little, even in the midst of financial chaos. Here on the Surpassed Results channel, we talk about finances the right way, straight to the point, practical, and with real results. Have you ever thought about starting 2025 with your bills in the black and your first investment portfolio set up? Sounds impossible right now. Then you need to watch until the end, because in the next few minutes, I'll give you the simplest and most effective plan to turn things around. And the best part, no fluff, no magic formulas, and no need to make a fortune. Tired of living in tight spots? Then take a deep breath, because in less than 10 minutes, you'll walk away with a roadmap for a much lighter financial life. Part 1. Face the truth. Know how much you owe. List all your debts: credit cards, loans, unpaid bills. Organize them in a spreadsheet or even on paper. Classify them: urgent, high interest, and less urgent. You can't control what you don't understand. Knowing exactly how big the problem is the first step to fixing it. Part 2. Create a simple budget. Use the adapted 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rent, food, 30% for debt payments, until fully paid 20% for investments, even if it's just $5 or $10. Use free apps like Mint, EveryDollar, or Google Sheets. Realistic example: if you earn $500, set aside $150 for debt and $10 to $25 to invest. The key is to build the habit. Part 3. Cut expenses. Smartly review fixed bills. Renegotiate your internet plan. Cancel unused subscriptions like Netflix. Make conscious swaps. Cook at home instead of ordering takeout. Try the 21-day no-spend challenge. Cut one specific expense for 3 weeks. Cutting expenses isn't deprivation, it's liberation. What you save today builds the freedom you'll enjoy tomorrow. Part 4. Debt payment strategy. Snowball method. Pay off the smallest debt first. Builds momentum. Avalanche method. Pay off the highest interest debt first. Saves money. Pick the one that works for you. The goal is to see progress every month. Part 5. Start investing with little money. Use brokers like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Webull. Many let you start with just $1. Start with treasury bonds or ETFs. Low risk, better than a savings account. The key is consistency. Invest monthly, even if it's a small amount. Investing is like planting a tree. It starts small, but grows over time. The sooner you plant it, the sooner you'll harvest the fruits. Debt might feel like a lifelong burden, but with structure and focus, you can flip the script. And even better, you'll start building wealth step by step. 2025 can be your year of transformation. If this video helped you, leave a like. Comment below, "I will get out of debt in 2025," and share this with someone who needs it. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more real, actionable content to help you master your money.